I don't see it moving. November 17th, 2011, and we're gonna knock down this Douglas fir tree. We've got Mike climbing up there right now. Knock this baby down. It's leaning over. It's in our nature trail. No, I don't see it moving.
Not at all?
No. Do you see it moving? I don't see it moving, do you? No.
But I have a reference, like compare it with something that's still, right?
Well, just the wind's moving it a bit, but not...
Not at the base.
No, I don't see it moving. I'm looking at the cedar tree beside it. It's not... Now, of course, the wind picks up.
Okay.
So we're going to knock this down. It's in one of our nature trails. Right here. It's lifted up at the roots. And the neighbor phoned our parks office there. Say cheese! Watch this. Holy crap. Wow. Oh, man. Nice. He knows what he's doing. Right on. That's a really bad one, because if it does uproot, like I say, it will probably crush the neighbor's house. Now we'll take it off in small sections. Beautiful weather out here, beautiful fall weather here for November 17th, but it is starting to get a bit breezy. It is probably about 2:15 in the afternoon. Gotta stay there. Yeah. Crazy, eh? Did you see that come down? He knows what he's doing.
Thinking that you can get him cut into rounds, I'll get rid of the wood for you.
He probably could. You don't have a chainsaw, eh?
I don't mind carrying rounds.
That's nice wood too. That's Mike Sermon. Yeah.